Hi all, welcome back to my channel. In this video, let's see how to prepare an easy and a tasty fried chicken recipe at home. Before moving on to the recipe, if you are new to my channel, do subscribe my channel and hit the bell button. There are 2-3 methods in which we can prepare fried chicken at home. Here in this video, I thought I would share the simple and the easiest method of preparing it. This will be very tasty and do try it at your home. Here I have taken around 800 grams of chicken. I've cut it into large pieces and remove the skin. If you want, you can use it with the skin also. In a bowl, crack open an egg and give it a mix. Now to it, I'm adding half cup of thick buttermilk. Now mix it with a whisk. To it, add some salt, half teaspoon of pepper powder, quarter teaspoon of chili powder, quarter teaspoon of garam masala. I'm adding half teaspoon of chili flakes to it. If you don't want, you can skip it. Add half teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and give it a nice mix. These are very common ingredients that are easily available at our home, so we can prepare it easily. Now mix it well, and after mixing, let's add the cut chicken pieces. I have made small slits on the chicken pieces so that it marinates well. Mix it well and let it marinate for about 3 to 4 hours. You can allow it to marinate overnight also, but try to marinate it at least for a minimum of 1.5 hours. Now let's start frying it. For frying, we have to prepare the dry mix. I have taken 1 cup of all-purpose flour. To it, add 1.5 tablespoons of corn flour. Add some salt, half teaspoon of pepper powder, quarter teaspoon of ginger powder, and quarter teaspoon of garlic powder. If you don't have ginger powder and garlic powder, it's okay, you can skip it. Anyways, we have added ginger garlic paste in the marination. Now mix well. If you want, you can add a pinch of chili powder also. Now the dry mix is ready, and this is the chicken after 4 hours of marination. Let's start frying it. Heat oil in a kadai. Take a deep kadai so that the chicken pieces completely immersed in the oil. Coat the chicken pieces one by one in the dry mix. Remove the excess flour and place it on the oil. The oil should not be too hot. It should be in a medium flame. If the oil is too hot, the outer surface will turn brown quickly and the chicken will not be cooked inside. Pour oil over the chicken like this so that it turns crispy on the top. Do it carefully. Now carefully flip over to the other side. Cook on both sides. We'll get a nice golden brown color. You can see the outer surface is so crispy. Now this is ready. Likewise, prepare the remaining chicken pieces. Many of us think that preparing this fried chicken at home is difficult, but this is a simple method in which we can prepare this. The taste is also really good. Do try it at your home. You'll definitely love it. With the minimum ingredients that are available at our home, we can prepare this tasty and simple fried chicken. Do try it at your home. Now this is ready. Likewise, I have prepared the remaining chicken pieces. And now the fried chicken is ready. Enjoy it with homemade French fries. If you like the recipe, do subscribe my channel and hit the bell button. Thanks for watching.